Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you one of the most famous Algerian sweet called Halwat طابع or Torno. This Algerian traditional cookies made from flour, flavored with vanilla, lemon and sometimes anise. It's a dry cake that is not filled, as its preparation is simple and requires few ingredients. It's one of the most popular cookies in Algeria. This cake comes from Algerian city towns Oran, Tlemcen, Algiers, Constantine, Annaba. حلوة الطابع means cookie cutter cake or punch cake. In Algeria, in Arabic, Torno is translation from the Spanish language meaning tower and designating the circular shape of the cake in the Oranie region. And these cookies have a similar taste like scones cookies. They are crunchy on outside and very soft in inside. And I like to call them Algerian scones. They are very suitable for tea time or coffee time or for snacks. Let's get started with this easy and tasty recipe. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups and half of sifted flour, 20 grams of baking powder, 20 grams of vanilla, lemon zest or orange zest. When you measure your ingredients, just make sure the amount of sugar and the amount of oil are a little bit less than the amount of eggs. In a mixing bowl, fill it with a whisker. Put your sugar, your eggs, your vanilla, and your pinch of salt. Beat those ingredients until your sugar melts and your eggs double its volume and they become white, fluffy, and foamy. When the eggs doubled in size and become foamy and the sugar has dissolved, add the oil little by little. After you have finished all the amount of oil, take out the whisker and replace it with a paddle attachment. Now it's time to add our flour, lemon zest, and baking powder. In medium speed, add your flour and mix your ingredients until you get a soft dough. My dough was very soft and I had to add another half cup of flour to get a soft dough that would not stick to the hands. Transfer your dough to a non-stick surface and try to work your dough to get a nice and non-stick dough. Help yourself with a spatula to take out all the dough from your bowl. Work your dough, but don't overwork it and just gather it. We don't want to develop gluten in our dough. Gather your dough like I'm doing so, and don't overwork it. Whenever you notice that your dough is well gathered, stop working it. Put it in a Ziploc and let your dough rest in the fridge for about half an hour. Look at the texture of the dough, non-sticky and very soft. Let your dough rest in the fridge for about half an hour. Meanwhile, you have to prepare your working surface. Use different cookie cutters to cut your cookies or your حلوة الطابع. I prepared 2 egg yolks to brush my cookies on the top and decorate it with sugar and sprinkles. Always line up your trays with a parchment paper. In a non-stick mat, sprinkle lightly little bit of flour. Put your dough on the top of it and open your dough for about ½ inch or 1 centimeter. Try to open your dough evenly from the middle to the edges. Cut your حلوة الطابع or your Algerian scones or your cookies into different shapes and sizes. I have just a small note for you. Never work your leftover dough. Just add new dough to it and work it lightly between your hands and open it up again. This way you will always get the same texture of the dough. Brush your cookies on the top just with egg yolks. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to your egg yolks to get a golden color. Sprinkle some sugar on the top to get this crunchy cookie surface. And you can decorate your cookies with some colorful sprinkles on the top too. Cook your حلوة الطابع or your cookies or your Algerian scones for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. After 15 to 20 minutes, my حلوة الطابع or my Algerian scones are ready with golden color and a crunchy surface. Those cookies are very suitable for coffee time or tea time. They are crunchy on outside and soft and inside, flavored with vanilla and lemon zest. I hope my video for today was helpful and you have learned something new with me. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!